Hi guys, today we got 300 napkins, 1, 2, 300, and we will crush it with our press. Let's start. And now we got 200 napkins and we'll crush it. Let's start. It was amazing explosion. Look at our white paper behind the press. We got no paper now. Now we got 3 planches, 3 beautiful planches. That's not what we expect. We expect some explosions, but this result is also very nice. Look at that. We back these napkins to the wood. This is everything that left from our napkins. We found only these pieces. It's not much. And one. Look at the smoke that left from our napkins. Hope guys you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel and goodbye.